Welcome to this review of the SIMPLIFICO4 Simple and Powerful Options Trading System. Now, this is a new breakthrough type of system that addresses this need and desire to have just a simple system. Just like, give me my clear-cut, simple trades for the next month that can put me in a position to win most all the time and capture most of those big moves without having to strain and think and wonder and flip-flop around. We have a performance sample up here on the screen, as you can see. This is one of many stocks, but we have this on the site. And so you can see here, this is a sample of, let's see, I think it's about 7 months. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 months. Oh, 9 months, sorry. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 months. And so you can see here the breakdown of month to month. And this is on Goldman Sachs. You can run it on any stock. And you know, the nice thing about this system is that it deals with price action, whereas you have months that take off, all right, and go in a big directional move, or you have months that waffle back and forth. For example, here you can see some trading view charts here, and so you can see you have months that take off, and then you have months that kind of waffle back and forth, like this month. And imagine having an exact plan for each month when the stock goes back and forth as such and or takes off. Well, if you had such a plan, you could potentially become extremely profitable over time, especially when trading good options positions. Now, what's a good options position? It's a position that will allow you to take advantage of the move in coordination with optimizing issues with time decay. Now, you can trade the quick swings, but sometimes if a move keeps on going, and we have a trail stop mechanism that enables you to be able to stay in these types of moves most of the time and not get stopped out too early. How about that? And so, well, if something takes off and keeps going for 5-6 weeks, you'll certainly want to be able to take advantage of that. Of course, if you do run out of time on your options, there are easy strategies on simply opening a new position as well. But if you buy options that are too short-term, what happens? Well, you have accelerated or hyper-accelerated premium decay, and that can get expensive. But then again, if you buy those right, relative to the options position on the options chain, as in how far in the money you buy or not, then you can optimize a position in coordination with premium decay and deltas. Because if you get the deltas and you can limit your premium decay issues, meaning that you can get in the money and accelerate up to higher deltas, well, those higher deltas will help you negate premium decay factors. All right? So that said, most people try to go for too little time and too far out of the money, and that's a whole other topic, but that's one of the reasons why one usually will tend to fail in their options trading. It's just tendency that comes with a mindset of options trading, whereas we want to have a bigger return. We want to have an amazing return. And so when we're in this amazing return mindset, one of the problems is that if we're in the mindset of looking for better and better and more, well, that's a mindset that can easily take us too far and get us in positions that are just not smart. So anyways, there's much more to be said on that topic, but I just want to throw that in there. Whereas you want to buy options smartly. Okay, now you can sell options if you want with this method, for sure. It could be a great option selling method. You could use credit spreads and debit spreads. Absolutely. That could be a great method. Now, I'm not talking about those lame out of the money credit spreads, all right? I'm talking about better risk to reward ratios because we are riding a move, riding a swing. But it's really kind of, I mean, you can trade credit spreads if you want, but the money adds up when you're able to ride the bigger moves of the month. Okay, I mean, you can go on any stock, Apple. If you're able to pinpoint these types of moves, okay. All right, from month to month, and deal with these waffling scenarios and catch a quick move like that, then hey, you are putting yourself in a big advantage. So back to the system, you can come to Options Trading Authority. Its logo needs a bit of tweaking. OptionsTradingAuthority.com. SIMPLIFICO4 is the name. There should be a link below this video if this is on YouTube or whatever tube. And here's a screenshot of some results here as I started to go into. We started putting in these average per month because as of one student's request in particular, I thought it was a good idea. So you can see here that winning percentage that's very good. All right, very, very good. And you can see this based on 20 contracts, okay, just roughly. And these are stock points, so 20 contracts, to put that at a 250 deltas to a 1 delta, or you can go even in the money some. That there's just all sorts of variants. So we can just say approximately average per month on 20 contracts, $23,000. All right, so you can just look at that for a while. Obviously, it's going to be a lot more on this month with 98 points than on this month with 0 points, 40 points, 18. So you can see things change from month to month, but you'll have a plan. And the money is made in the markets by averaging out over time. Okay, if you keep chasing the perfect trade every time, you're probably not going to make any money. Time is not unlimited. Well, that's another concept, but we need to take advantage of what we can in front of us. So even if you traded this with one contract over time and got the feel of it, that could be very valuable. This system is that solid to become a system to trade for life. So I would definitely look into getting this system. This is a trade for a good living type of system, and I believe some of you will do extremely well with it. Okay, so that's about it. And here's the link. The link should be below if you're not on the site. Otherwise, go to OptionsTradingAuthority.com, and you can check out this system amongst others. And thank you for your time.